Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious fried rice with dark soy sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of day-old, cold rice, which is crucial for that perfect texture. Chop your preferred protein, like chicken or shrimp, and vegetables such as carrots and peas. Measure out your sauces, including 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Having everything prepped makes cooking smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Heat your wok or a large skillet over high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, then quickly stir-fry aromatics like minced garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds. Next, add your protein and cook until it's almost done, then toss in your harder vegetables, like carrots, and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until tender crisp. This builds the foundational flavors. It's time for the star ingredient. Add your cold rice to the hot pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Spread the rice out and let it sit for about 30 seconds to get a slight char. Then, pour in your measured dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, and sesame oil. Stir-fry vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring every grain of rice is beautifully coated and takes on that rich, dark color and savory flavor. This step is key. To finish, toss in any softer vegetables, such as peas and sliced green onions, and stir-fry for just 1 minute until they are heated through. Give your fried rice a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed, perhaps a pinch more salt or a dash of white pepper. Serve your delicious homemade fried rice immediately while it's hot and fresh. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.